Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now where we are is by the Sun Coast Adventure Park. So if we stayed on the main road, we would go down by the Sun Coast Adventure Park. However, that road is going to be removed because the highway is on the left of the road and the highway is on the right of the road. So the road where you see that truck coming up, that road is going to be removed and the highway goes straight across. So on the left now, they are building an entrance to the highway. So if you are on the old road and you want to get onto the highway, you can no longer use that road where you to the right because it's going to be removed and the highway go right through it. You'll now have to use this road on the left. So they are putting it in now, and then once it's finished, they will go ahead and remove the main road there so the highway can be joined. So where we are is from Harborview Bridge to 11 Miles Bull Bay, the highway runs along the existing roadway. But from 11 Miles Bull Bay to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, right out there where those cars are passing, the highway is going to go over the hill and it will come back out and rejoin the existing roadway right here. So this is why the roadway has to be removed and you use this road on the left now to get back on the highway. So the highway comes over the hill and that's on the right of this road here and joins connects back to the existing roadway, which has been upgraded to 4 lanes. We're going to look at that in a little bit, but we just need to get out of the way of this truck. So right here, the old road now is the road that we're on. If you are driving on this way and you want to get back onto the highway, you would use that ramp on the left. I'm going to try and drive down here. I'm not sure if they'll allow us to, but the truck seems to have stopped, so let's see what's going on. Actually, we're not going to go down there because they are working. So we're going to continue here and show you both sides of the highway. Actually, we can show you this here. That's the road there. And now they're doing a development called the Sun Coast Beach Club, and that's it on the right here. So I guess this road won't be removed until it's further down here. Okay, so that will be the entrance to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, and then out here now is where we're going to show you both sides of the highway that they're going to join. So this is the road that has to be removed because on the left is one side of the highway and on the right, hang on. So there you can see this is the existing road that they upgraded to 4 lanes, and then over here is the highway coming over the hill. So they're both going to be, they have to be joined, and that's why this road here is going to be removed. This road has to be removed because it's literally in the path of the highway. So I really am not sure if all of this can be done by August 2023, which is 11 weeks, which is when they say this section of the highway is going to be finished. But we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on with the highway. Alright, so we're going to look at it from this angle now. So this will give you a very good view. There you can see the highway, and there you can see the road directly in the path of the highway. So this is an excellent view, much better view than what we were showing you before. So the highway is going straight across the main road, and over there to the right is where you will now it will be an entrance ramp to the highway. I guess there will be no exit from the highway here, just if you want to get on, because the concrete barricade is going to go right across, unless they build another exit somewhere along the way. But for now, this is what it looks like. Now they said this highway, the section from that we're driving on, is to be finished by August 2023. That is from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge. But I mean, to take down this road, they first have to finish the side road, then they have to take down this road, join both sides of the highway, and this is just one section. I'm not sure if this road will be finished by August 2023. I'm thinking more December 2023. But we'll keep you guys updated, and you guys can leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think. Alright, we're not going to interfere with the work, so we're going to turn around. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, and we give you update videos every 2 weeks on all the major development projects in Jamaica. But we're probably going to give you weekly updates on this project, because on this section, so you can stay tuned for that. Every week we'll put up an update video to show you what's going on as we get closer to August 2023. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.